Hi, Rosie here, on my way to rehearsal. Today, we're doing a run-through of Acts 1 and 2 of A Midsummer Night's Dream. I'm having a ball, which is actually a great expression because this play is kind of like a screwball comedy. I guess that's what you can expect when a play has 3 parallel plots. Parallel plots are 2 or more plots in one story that are linked by common characters, events, or themes. And none of the plots are working out right now. For the characters, that is. That creates plenty of dramatic tension throughout the play. Tension is a sense of anxiety, suspense, or excitement. What's happening in these different plots? Well, Theseus, the Duke of Athens, and Hippolyta, the Queen of the Amazons, are looking forward to their wedding, which is a formal state event. Meanwhile, Titania and Oberon, the King and Queen of the Fairies, are battling in the nearby woods, which is causing a major disruption in nature. And Lysander, an Athenian nobleman, and Hermia face serious problems. Her father wants her to marry Demetrius, but Hermia wants to marry Lysander, whom she loves. They're supposed to elope, but Hermia had a horrible dream about Lysander, who thinks he loves Helena because he's under a spell. Then there's Demetrius, a young Athenian nobleman, and Helena. Helena is madly in love with Demetrius, but he doesn't love her. At least, not yet. He loves Hermia. These tangled up plots are going to need lots of nodding for everyone to live happily ever after. Lysander, Hermia, and Helena can't find the peace unless Demetrius stops chasing Hermia and returns Helena's love. And Duke Theseus and Hippolyta can't have a happy wedding if their reception is terrible because of the ridiculous wedding play performed by the amateur actors. Meanwhile, Titania and Oberon can't make up if they don't settle their differences and overcome their jealousies. There is so much confusion and chaos that the audience can't help but laugh. In fact, much of the play's humor is created by dramatic irony. Dramatic irony is the effect of the audience or reader knowing more than the characters do. For example, I know that Oberon is about to play a trick on Titania, with hilarious results. With the help of a magic potion, he'll make Titania fall in love with the first thing she sees upon waking. Oberon says it could be a lion, bear, or wolf, or bull. It's so much fun to have the insider view. I can't help but laugh at everything these characters do. You know what? I think that's what Shakespeare had in mind.